And good morning, Madlamini and Sister Repati. Good morning, E. How you doing? My girls in Madema is here. We love that. Boss Manake, Mbari National Lockdown listening. We're here for it. We love it. You too can get in touch 0772162651. We go to our trending. Making the rounds on social media is a video of a pastor openly rebuking an engaged couple after he saw the lady sleeping on her fiance's shoulder during a church service. We're going to play the clip and hear your thoughts.
Is he your brother? Why are you sleeping on his hand? Yeah? Your fiance already sleeping on your hand in church. And you didn't rebuke her. Olga. Comport yourself in the house of God, I beg. I'm married. My wife has never slept on my hand in church. Are you hearing me? In public, she's sleeping on your hand. What are people doing in secret? Sit down. Are we together? Now, it's because I love him, that's why I told him that. If he gets offended, then he doesn't understand kingdom. Because in kingdom, we love by telling you truth. Are we together? Now.
Because I love them, that's why I've told them. So this do not go well with some people on social media. You know how we always have an opinion. You know, saying that this was not actually correcting in love. Rather, it was embarrassing the couple. And many have suggested that the pastor could have rebuked them in private. And I wanted to hear your take on this. Was the pastor wrong? And if it was you in the situation, would it have been okay with you? I think we have spoken before about being rebuked in public when it comes to church gatherings. You can actually then call the people in private if you want to then call them to order to say you guys should not do this. So let's hear Sister Repati. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Makazora mushe.
Zvakangofanana kungoti pana bus pachurch but pasangano uri paMorning Galaxy.
Yes.
Utoona everyday unomiswa, everyday unotsiurwa. Utadza unitoro kunendeso parutivi.
Panapa.
Panapa.
It's a safe space.
Kana mchechi wome mchinzi mu safe space. Mera mchinzi mu safe space. But I think, when it comes to church, I'm thinking church is a different gathering. Even church nekutora sekuhospital. Kwekuti munhu wese ari muchechi ari kuita sei ari kurwara. And pamwe sister navari kurara muchechi pamwe waitobva ku night shift,
ubva watozembera pashoulder. Scan.
Ndiye munhu ari the closest.
Munofundisa mwana
kumoti ava vari engaged, they are couples.
Anzi what more in takamirira muchato wenyu what more in private.
Kumoti ava icouple kune vanotoona kuti mchechi kozvani motozotizisa bendekete saka iskiri yekurara paroko. It was unfortunate kuti they were a couple, but there are many things around you kuti pamupasho ndatouya ndikutoda healing handisi kunzwa zvakanaka handiti usanga ndikukotsira ona to take a medication but nakoti I can't miss church today. But matoti embarrass even not out for help say how do I even start conversing imandituka pamberi pevanhu manditsika kusutuka avana kutuka.
I think vasipana vanonyatsotuka vekuti unyatsotukwa yanzozwa kuti ndatukwa
amwanzinga futi.
Yes.
So I'm saying kuti kuchechi kuti atoye tine maproblems akasiyana siyana
ekurara pabendekete.
bendekete rinotongorarirwa whether ndine munhu wako unozokana hope dzabata ukamufuna iso munhu akasatosudurukaka unotonyatsoona comfortable baba muchechi ena hameno mweya uri muchechi munyatsorarika iye.
Guys musadara
atongosvika kuti kamera inenge chinzi
hope dzinobata
because unenge wazorora pane karush kanoita nguva yekuenda kuchechi kaikai. I don't know
time yandainzwa hope like changing yekuchikoro when you're still in school. church wins with our pay, but then I've not really experienced that after. Like no library, church, yeah.
But aunts can mkompi. No, the rush kekumuka maxe. Not on them nakwenda kuchikoro, you know when you're going to church. Unamuka very fast, udaku aina hembe, udaku fake, udaku bata time ya intercession, handiti kamuka na feta says to not agree intercession. Pono so karapepe mpai party zose ngauti andaneta. Make sure not indicated because when hope comes,
yeah. But then, in conclusion, your take on being rebuked in public in church is
I just think after the service also
besides one, Madam, two, Madam, very comfortable. So, Jones can very comfortable in public display of affection. What's more in private?
I need
I'm not gonna sit next to Lewy.
I didn't know the first part of
You can send a voice note. Brian mira anzi no sono di dire. Kondika saso tauro, kondika saso chka, kondika